Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Northside Bob doing a video of a truck chassis for sale or trade. So yeah, I got this in the mail last time. Got it in a trade, so yeah. Um, so yeah, this is the truck chassis. Uh, this this is how you get it if you buy it or we trade. So yeah, broken motor pod, no board, no servo. That's about it. Let's see. This is the bottom. So yeah. Oh yeah, and this thing is broken. Focus. And so yeah, this thing is broken. So you probably need to replace this. That's the only thing you need to replace. And you got a roller truck. So yeah. This is what you get if we trade or sell. Um yeah guys. Make me an offer or let me know what you have for trade and you could trade. Oh, and it's missing the gears inside. So yeah, thanks.